Hello, students. Today we'll discuss the second unit of the OOP subject. The name is Inheritance and Pointer. In first section, we'll discuss the inheritance in C++. We'll discuss what is inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism which provides the power of reusability and extendability. Okay. Inheritance is the process by which one object can acquire the property of another object. Next point is inheritance is process by which new classes called derived classes are created using the or from existing classes known as the base classes. Next point is allow the creation of hierarchical classification is all about inheritance. Now we'll discuss the advantages of inheritance. Sometimes we need to repeat the code or we need repeat the whole class of properties. So inheritance helps in various ways. First is it saves memory space. Then second advantage is it saves time. Then third advantage is it will remove frustration. Then fourth advantage is it increases reliability of the code. And last is it saves the developing and testing effort. These are the advantages of inheritance. Next, next point is need of inheritance. The need of inheritance is to increase the reusability of the code and make further usable for another classes. We use the concept of inheritance. Okay. In single word we can say using inheritance we can use the you can achieve the reusability of the code. Then now we'll discuss the types of inheritance. There are different types of inheritance. First is single inheritance, then multiple inheritance, then after that hierarchical inheritance, then fourth type is multi-level inheritance. Last type is hybrid inheritance. One by one we'll discuss the types of inheritance in detail. See the single inheritance. In single inheritance, one parent class or we can say one base class is there and another and only one child class or we can say derived class. The child class or derived class acquire the properties of the base class is the single inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance there there's one base class and number of derived classes. See in this example, fruit is base class and having three derived classes. One, first derived class is the orange, second derived class is the mango, and third derived class is the banana. Okay, this is hierarchical inheritance. Then multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, there are multiple base classes. I am having the subclass, having subclass. Subclass acquire the property of the different base classes. See, multi-level inheritance. Multiple multi-level inheritance. There is level of inheritance means uh, one superclass is there, one superclass is there. After that, the one subclass is there, one subclass one is there. In this example, subclass acquire the property of the superclass. Then after that, subclass 2 acquire the property of the subclass 1. This is the level of inheritance. First is the superclass. After superclass, subclass 1 is there. After subclass 1, subclass 2 is there. Okay. In this example, subclass 1 acquire the property of the subclasses. And after that, subclass 2 acquire the property of the subclass 1. Hybrid inheritance. It is hybrid inheritance is the collaboration of the different types of inheritance. In this example, college college is the we can say s- college is college one super class, okay, and staff student these are the subclasses. After that they form the different they form the class subclass result, okay. In this example, class and student acquire these are the subclass which acquire the property of the college in this case is super class. Then from this then in this case, staff and student these are the subclass which form which become the superclass for the subclass result. In this case, result acquires the property of the staff and students. So this is the hybrid inheritance. Okay, hybrid inheritance base class. Now we'll discuss the concept of inheritance in different concept of the inheritance base class. Base class is class which defines those qualities common to all objects to the derived from the base. Base class is the class which defines those qualities common to all objects to be derived from the base. Okay. The base class represents the most general description. A class that inherited is referred to as the base. The class which is inherited is referred to as base class. The second concept is the derived class. The classes derived from the base class are usually referred to as derived classes. A derived class includes all features of the generic base class and add the qualities specific to the derived class. Okay. So in derived class, it includes all features of the generic base class plus new feature, specific feature to the derived class. Okay. The class doesn't the class that does inheriting is known as the derived class. Okay. जो भी क्लास इनहेरिटिंग कर रहा है उसको डिराइव क्लास करते हैं ओके उसको डिराइव क्लास कहते हैं डिराइव क्लास नोट डिराइव क्लास कैन बी यूज्ड एज बेस क्लास for another derived class in C++. Inheritance is achieved by allowing one class to incorporate another class into its declaration. Access mode or visibility modes of inheritance. We have seen two access modes in C++. In C++ classes. One is public and another is private. Okay. Public members are directly accessible by the users of the class, whereas private members are not directly accessible by the users of the class, not even by inheritors. Okay. There is third access mode that is protected. Protected members are directly accessible by the derived classes, but not by another users. Okay. So these are the three access specifier: public, private, and protected. Inheritance. See the syntax of inheritance. The class is keyword. After that, derived class name. Okay. Then colon, access specifier, the base class name. Open curly bracket, close curly bracket, semicolon. Example, class rectangle, colon, public, C polygon. Open curly bracket, close curly bracket, semicolon. Class C triangle, colon, public, C polygon. Open curly bracket, close curly bracket, semicolon. So this is the syntax of the inheritance. Now we'll discuss the access or visibility mode of inheritance. Visibility of inherited base class members in derived class. See here the visibility mode is public, protected, and private. Public members of base class. Public members of base class visibility mode is public, protected, and private. Protected member of the base class. Protected member of the base class. Their their visibility mode is protected, and private. Okay. Inheritance syntax. Class base class private int x, public int y, protected int z. Okay, these are data members of the base class. Now inheritance, private derivation, syntax, class, derived class, column, private, base class. X is not accessible because X is private in the base class, whereas Y Y is declared public in the Y, public in the base class. So which will be private in the derived class because private derivation is here. Okay, so public become private if the derivation is the private. Okay, and the protected become the protected if the derivation is the private. Again, inheritance public derivation syntax is class derived class colon public base class. X is not accessible because X is declared as a private, declared as a private in the base class. Okay, Whereas, whereas y is public, and for public derivation, y become public in the direct class, and z is protected in the base class. So that will also become the protected in the direct class. Okay. Now inheritance by protected derivation syntax class derived class colon protected base class x is not accessible as x is the private in the base class. Why why become protected as it is declared as the public data member in the base class. Okay, then again z is also protected because it is also protected in the base class. Now see the example of single instance, the class form. In class form, data members double is private, access specifier is private. In private access specifier, area double. Okay, and then after that public. In public access specifier, public area in color is there, and another method that is double get area, which return the which return this area, this pointer. Okay, then again void set area. Okay, we have pass in the set area as the area which is return type is double. Okay, data type is double. Okay, and which return the area using this pointer. This arrow area equal to array area semicolon. Again, bool is dark. Return the color, which is return the color. Then okay, the form. So in this case, form is the base class and circle is the derived class. Single inheritance. See the syntax of the derivation class. Circle colon public form in opening curly bracket in public section double get ratio double a comma a equal to get area returns square root of a divided by 2 into 3.14 bracket complete semicolon curly bracket complete. Then void set ratio, which is another method. Parameter we have pass is double radius color open curly bracket color equal to 5 set area set area for in, in bracket power radius into zero point 0.5 comma 2 into 3.14 bracket complete semi-comma curly bracket complete and the curly bracket complete and the class is complete, so semi-comma. Then single instance the driver code int driver function. We can say the int main is the driver function. Inside the main we have declared the double answer semi-comma circle c. Then c dot set ratio we have passed as a 10 as a parameter semi-comma answer equal to c dot get ratio. Then c out equal to c out answer. Then boolean c answer equal to c dot is dark. Then c out c answer return 0 semi-comma curly bracket complete. Multiple instance. The syntax is class direct class colon access specifier base class 1 comma access specifier base class 2 opening curly bracket close curly bracket. Example class result colon public student comma public staff opening curly bracket close curly bracket.